The let them theory is based on a simple truth. The fastest way to take control of your life is
The let them theory. How to stop stressing over things you can't control. Why you need to hear this? Have you ever felt frustrated when people don't text back? Family does not support you. Friends cancel the plan. You try so hard to change them, to make them see your worth. But no matter what you do, nothing changes. Here's a secret that will set you free. Let them. This is called the let them theory. A life-changing mindset shift that makes life stress-free and peaceful. If you ever felt drained by others' action, well, today's video is just for you. Part 1. What is the let them theory? The let them theory is very simple. It means if someone wants to live your life, let them. If someone does not respect you, let them. If someone does not support you, let them. You can't control others. Instead of fighting for approval, focus on your own peace, happiness, and success. Part 2. Why most people struggle with this? Why do we get frustrated when people don't act how we expect? Because we have expectations. We believe people should treat us the way we treat them. Family should always support us. Friends should always be loyal. But life does not work that way. Expecting others to change only leads to disappointment. Part 3. The power of letting go. Here's what happens when you truly apply let them theory. You stop feeling drained by toxic people. You focus on those who actually cares about you. You gain focus, peace, and mental clarity. Because guess what? People who truly value you won't need to be forced to stay. The right people will always stay. The wrong people will leave. Part 4. How to apply let them theory in your life. Alright, now let's break this into practical steps that you can use today. 1. Accept that people will be who they are. If someone always cancels the plan, let them. Stop expecting them to change. If someone constantly complains, let them. You don't have to engage. 2. Stop taking things personally. Most of the time, people's actions have nothing to do with you. A friend does not text back. Maybe they are just not good at communication. Maybe they are busy. Either way, let them. 3. Shift your focus to what you can control. You can't force someone to support you, but you can find people who do. You can't change others, but you can change how you react to them. Your energy is precious. Spend it wisely. Part 5. What happens when you master this mindset? And beginning for attention. The moment you stop chasing, focusing, something magical happens. You attract better people in your life. You become more confident in your own worth. You experience less stress, less overthinking, and more peace. And the best part, you take back control of your life. Instead of reacting to everything, you become productive. Instead of feeling like a victim, you step into your power. Final message and challenge for you. I want you to try this for 1 week. Anytime someone disappoints or frustrates you, instead of reacting, just say let them. Then watch what happens. If you're ready to stop stressing over things you can't control, hit that like button, subscribe for more self-improvement videos, and comment below I choose peace. Let's start a movement. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, let them. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'.